Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. What you have in front of you is a mint condition Porsche 911 with a G50 transmission, and this is what the car looks like now. Wait, you want to know what's happening? Well, stay tuned. But first, a word from our sponsor. Alright guys, if you're wondering how I keep my car so shiny, GT Shine is the solution. All these towels and GT Shine. GT Shine is going to be the best solution for the quick ceramic spray that I use on my BMW products. Basically, my BMW car. I use GT Shine in order to keep this car looking nice and fresh. So if you want to get the same shine that I can get from my car, gtshine.com/Barris29. At checkout, use Barris29 in order to get that 10% discount. Barris29 on discount at GT Shine. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here I am. So welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm gonna go to the Morton Street Partners in order to see what the Porsche 911 looks like at this current moment in time. It's an exciting new build done by Daniel Arsham, and he commissioned the Morton Street Partners to house the progress of the build. So basically it's being built in-house. People have the opportunity to go to the Morton Street down in Manhattan and see the car being taken apart and rebuilt firsthand. It's an amazing experience. I haven't been there in a few weeks. I'm gonna go right now and check out the car and see what it's like. I figured I'd give you this angle because it's a different angle. See you soon. The Morton Street Partners is a beautiful space in Manhattan that typically houses the best pieces of contemporary art. For the time being, it's housing my favorite kind of art, the car. Greg, the master mechanic and builder, is going to reimagine this car by deconstructing and reconstructing the car to its bare shell and putting it back together. Here, he can be seen explaining to my friends the rust-free condition of this example. One takeaway: upon any restoration, starting with a clean example makes the process much easier. Because I knew the car was going to be completely deconstructed, I at least wanted a before picture of what the car initially looked like before the process began. So here, I'm just having a little bit of fun. There is beauty in the disassembly, so here's a closer look at the parts as they sit away from the car. Several weeks later, I wanted to see the progress of the car, so I went for a little drive. Alright guys, so I'm here at the Morton Street Partners on Morton Street in the heart of the village in Manhattan. And boy was I in for a surprise. The fenders were gone. So I am done right now, and I'm gonna head off and drive a little bit more because that is part of the process. Talk to you guys soon. Stay tuned for updates because the color change is wild. I promise.